Good morning, guys. The time is 4 a.m. in the morning, and today happens to be the day that we send the pigs to the pig farm. We are ready to go, and we advise to leave as early as possible so that the pigs can cool off whilst the sun is not up yet. So we are ready to move. We are currently driving. I'm going to drive to the farm where we are going to pick up the pigs. And their food is ready as well. We have everything here. A truckload full. Everything is in there. Hey, Brutus, how are you? So we are ready to move now. I'll take this opportunity to wish everybody a happy new year. May this year be a prosperous one. May everything that you target be achievable. Stay safe, stay blessed, and be good. And please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing this video. Yeah, so about 20 minutes time, we got to the farm from our home, and it wasn't too far from where we stay. Yeah, so here you can see the man that we purchased the piglets from. His name is Mr. Hammond, and he has a pig farm, a very big pig farm in Accra. So he advised us on what to do, the kind of feed, and the measurement, how to handle the pigs, how to actually run the farm. So here he was showing me the pigs that he was going to pick or select for me to send to our new pig farm. So in this video here, you can see one of his workers capturing the pigs in their pen, and I can tell you that no pigs were harmed in this video. Yeah, so these guys here actually are about 2 or 3 months according to Mr. Hammond himself. Yeah, it was, I think we got 13 of them. We got the smaller ones, 8 females and then 2 males, all not from the same parent. Like, he mixed them for us. He even got some from different farms so that there could be a variety, or the pigs not being from the same parent or something. We were advised it wasn't a good thing to do, to actually cross a male and then a female from the same parent. Yeah, here is a feed, the kind of feed that we are supposed to give the pigs. We'll give them the wheat bran, maize bran, which is also called a corn chaff, the rice bran, starter mash, grower mash, yeah, for nutrient and protein. So here Mr. Hammond was actually teaching me the kind of uh, feed and how to mix it, and also the kilos. So about 2 hours time, we got to the village in the central region. The name is Inyanabasa, and that's where I come from actually. We had a little bit of hiccups on the road coming to the destination because we were carrying live animals in the truck, and we were supposed to have a vet check them all, and also have a way bill for transporting the animals from one location to the other, just to prove the animals belongs to you. So this is the farm. You're on the farm now. You can see the pens. Sorry, the main building, and that's the residence at the back. Yeah, that's where it is now. The level, you can see we are the roofing level. We've put in some wood on top, so it's only left for the roofing sheets to be placed on the wood. We have a long way to go, but little by little we are moving. So here, because we only got 13 pigs, we separated them. I think we had 4 in a room. Yeah, we had the first pen. We placed 4 of them there, the little ones, all female. The second pen, we actually also bought 2 big females, huge ones, like they're about 8 months, almost ready to cross. Yeah, we also put them in the next pen, and then the other one, the third pen, we put 3 males over there, and then the last one to we put about 4 females there too. So yeah, for the pigs not to be crossing themselves whilst they are not ready to cross is the reason why we separated the females from the males, and that's the advice that we got from Mr. Hammond, the farmer. So here, I was actually testing all the nipples that we placed in the pens to make sure the water was flowing. There's a big pen here, so we had about, I think it's too much though, but we had about 3 at the top, 6 at the top, and then 6 at the down. The down being for the smaller pigs or the piglets. Yeah. So I checked everything. I checked all the drinker nipple, and everything was working. We're still carrying the pigs. You actually have to handle them very well. Yeah, and as you can see, no pigs were harmed in this video. We were carefully handling them from the truck to the pens, and we were actually putting them in the places where Mr. Hammond recommended we should put them. The males in a different pen, and then the females too in a different pen. So we had to check from the truck, picking up the pig. You have to check if it's a male or a female. So if it's a male, you know where you are sending it to. Yeah. So we brought some water hose from Accra, to the farm, which we are going to use for washing of the place, cleaning. Yeah, for cleaning the pens. We actually do clean the place about 2 times a day, early morning and around 6 in the evening. We advise that we we only feed them once a day. Yeah, that's the advice that the farmer, the previous owner of these pigs, gave us. So we can be able to also manage um, the feed, and also for them not to be too fatty. Yeah, we had a lot of help from the guys around the area where the farm was built. Hey.
Oh, no, yeah. First, no, you go for that. I don't know, you go for that. So I remove.
Cool.
Nti waka ceiling joint wa ha o. Ceiling joint.
So yeah, this is the first day on the farm. We were able to transport the pigs from Accra to Inyana Basan in the central region. So gradually we are working, farming. Hopefully very soon we will be having more pigs. We started with only 13 pigs, and soon enough we are going to have more of them. Please consider subscribing to this channel so that any video that we upload here, you can have access, and then also you can share for others to also watch our videos, so we can all grow together. Thank you very much for clicking on this video, and please subscribe, very important, like and share, and also comment. If you have any ideas, you can share them with us. If you have any questions, you can ask, so that we all learn together. Thank you very much. Stay safe. Peace.